You won't be able to remove your kids profile from your main account if you don't follow these steps till the end. So watch video till the end. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your email ID on your YouTube account. If you don't know how to log in your YouTube Kids account on the smart TV, then follow this video. This is video in the I button. Let me tell you, you have to first log in your main email ID to remove your main account. So now, first of all, once you log in your email ID on the YouTube Kids account, then you have to select your any of the kids account. So let me show you how to do that. You have to select your account. Now after that, you have to click on setting. Now you have to check that you have to visit the familiar.youtube.com. So first of all, you have to use your smartphone and use that URL. Let me show you how to do that. So first of all, open the Google Chrome and search for the families.youtube.com. Now you have to click on that. Now you have to click on the first one website. Now you have to click on get started. Now you have to select the profile which you want to delete, like this one. After that, you have to click on the delete kids profile. So now you have to tap on it and click on delete. Let me tell you that there is nothing any option to remove the profile. Once you tap on it, it will automatically get delete your profile completely. So now tap on delete. Once you tap on it, as you can see that your YouTube profile is deleted and it is also deleted already from the list of the YouTube Kids profile. Or now let me show you it is deleted from the smart TV or not. So now you have to click on OK. Now you can see the profile which we have deleted was on the name of John and it is not listing here. As you can see that. Now if you want to create the another account, like you want to create another profile, then you can click on add account. Now you have to click on the add child option which is at the bottom like this one. And now you have to click on that. Now you have to scan the barcode and create the kids profile. If you don't know how to create your kids profile, or then you can see the I button and you can click on it and you will get to know how to create the kids account. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow for more videos. Thank you so much.